The holidays are here, and if your oven is already fighting for space, or you just need a little Christmas magic fast, these 5 recipes are your secret weapon. Welcome back. Today we are mastering the art of the no-bake balls. 5 distinct flavors, minimal effort, and guaranteed to disappear the minute you put them out. This is my go-to collection for stress-free entertaining. We have got wholesome date balls, tangy cranberry balls, vibrant pistachio, creamy Rafaello, and the Boozy cherry bomb. Grab your food processor and let's roll. Let's start with the most traditional and energetic of them all, almond date balls. This is basically a healthy energy bar disguised as a holiday treat. Into the processor go the dates, almonds, and walnuts. Add the secret ingredient for texture, 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Blend into a smooth, compact paste. Take a small amount and shape it into ball. You can leave the balls as they are or coat them with a layer of grated coconut for a snowy, wintry look. They are chewy, nutty, and practically guilt-free. Then add a little color. These cranberry honey balls are the perfect combination of sweet and sour with a beautiful festive red color. Blend the almonds in the processor. Add dates, butter, honey, and blend into a paste. And since you want pieces of cranberries in the balls, add them at the end and blend them coarsely. Once mixed, roll them right away. They are already so colorful that we can skip any coating. The tart cranberry burst is exactly what you need to cut through all the heavy holiday food. Time for my favorite color on a holiday platter, pistachio. These are elegant, bright green and taste luxurious. And they only need 2 main ingredients. First, finely chop pistachios. Put the dates in a blender and blend them into a paste. Then add the pistachios and coarsely chop them to add texture. Roll these up and for extra crunch and that professional look, coat them in finely chopped pistachios. Keep them refrigerate until serving. The flavor is bright, nutty, and very sophisticated. Now switch gears completely for the creamy classic, Rafaello. This one is a huge crowd pleaser and doesn't even need a food processor. In a bowl, mix the entire can of condensed milk with grated coconut. The mixture will be quite wet, so refrigerate it for about 30 minutes. That little rest makes it perfectly scoopable. Once chilled, take a small portion in your hand. Here is the secret. Place a peeled almond in the middle. Wrap the mixture around it and roll it tight. Give it a generous coat of coconut flakes to finish. These creamy coconut clouds are rich, sweet, and tastes more like Bounty bars. Finally, the grand final, cherry bomb rum balls. Dark, decadent, and definitely for the adults in the room. They pack a serious punch. First, drain the cherries preserved in rum, then grate the baby biscuits and walnuts, add powdered sugar and cocoa for color, mix, cut the softened butter, and start making the dough. Remember when we bake the Christmas cookies? That's exactly how you will do it. Add a little rum, just enough so the dough is moist and holds its shape without being sloppy. And keep adding cocoa until the dough has the right color. Let the dough rest in a cool place, cut off a piece of dough and roll it into a cylinder, then cut slices from it which you will use to wrap the cherries. If you don't have drained cherries, the dough won't stick to them very well. Coat the balls in grated coconut. The rich chocolate and deep rum flavor just scream holiday nostalgia. And there you have it, 5 beautiful, festive, and incredibly simple no-bake treats ready for your holiday table. From the wholesome energy of the date ball to the indulgent kick of the cherry rum ball, there's a flavor for everyone. This is a tradition I started when I realized that sometimes the best memories are made with the least amount of fuss. They are fast, fun, and they keep the kitchen cool. Which one will be the star of your table this year? If you enjoyed this quick holiday guide, please like the video and subscribe for more easy recipes. Happy holidays and happy no baking!